morning coffee gave me a headache. I had to force myself to make shopping, Such Friday, what can I say, belongs to my way. Such Friday, what can I say, it was in holiday in Taipei. I forgot to buy a few products cause of this darn sharp headache. The viaduct was closed, I had to take the longer road. I bought a paperback, environmentally friendly, and a bag made a pen, so nice and gently. Such Friday, what can I say, belongs to my way. Such Friday, what can I say, it was in holiday in Taipei. I had to pick up the groceries from the ground wheel to shop. I met there two truck slaves, they helped me pick it up.